Hi, this is Elle with Realty.ca. Today we honor to have Carla for a second time. She's here to give us advice regarding mortgage insurance. Hi, Carla.
Hello, Al, and hello to your viewers. It's lovely to be back with you again today.
It's a pleasure always having you here.
Oh, I love being here with you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Carla, when we are talking about mortgage, they always advise us regarding getting mortgage insurance. What is the mortgage insurance?
Oh, mortgage insurance. If you're buying a home, Al, there's a lot to think about. When you begin making choices like finding the best mortgage rates or choosing your color scheme for your home, it's also good to know you have choices when it comes to protecting your mortgage and your family's finances from the unexpected, because things can happen, and you want to make sure that you protect the assets that you're building. Mortgage life insurance is a coverage that you can purchase as a mortgage borrower. It is designed to help you pay off or pay down the mortgage if you die. The mortgage insurance money payable under the coverage is always applied to the mortgage balance. This can help you and your family stay in your home, even if the primary income earner is no longer there. So that basically is what mortgage insurance coverage is.
Yeah. Why do we need mortgage insurance? Why do we have to buy it?
Well, a mortgage is a long-term obligation, and you need to pay back money that you've borrowed. A lot of things can happen over the years, whether you're single, you're married, you live in common law, or whether you're with or without children. It's very important to protect you and the ones you love from becoming, further in debt if you're unable to pay off any money that you own. So that's really, it's to protect you and your loved ones, from becoming, financially incapable.
I see. Let's say I get sick. Obviously, I'm not able to work. Would my mortgage payments be covered?
Oh, yes. So this is where you have to look at what we call a critical illness policy. What this policy does is that it covers you if you become seriously ill. You will receive a lump sum to spend on whatever you choose. So things like medical expenses and mortgage payments. So you can really focus on, recovering from your illness. So that is a part of that coverage that will allow you to be able to maintain payments while you're recovering from your illness.
Thank you so much. And last question. There are lots of audiences are watching you right now, and maybe they ask, why should we choose you versus another lending institutions?
Oh, well, the number one, service. I really am big on service. I think that's very important to be able to connect with customers, build a relationship with customers, and making sure that I'm able to meet their needs and their servicing needs as we, build that relationship. But when you think about the lending institution versus someone like myself, there are a lot of reasons why. So the first one, you may want to know, hey, Carla, do I own my own policy? If I were to, purchase mortgage insurance through you? And the answer would be yes. If you were to go through a regular financial institution, like maybe a bank, it is not owned by you. It really is owned by the bank. So when you think about that, what happens is that the money you would receive under like a term life insurance purchase from myself would go to your beneficiary. Yeah. With the bank, it goes to the bank, and it pays off the difference of the mortgage. So there you go. That's one reason why. When does the coverage end? You choose when the coverage ends with me. With the bank or another financial lending institution, it ends when the term of the mortgage ends. So that's another big difference. You are really in control of that policy, and you decide when it ends. Do you have the same coverage for the life of the policy? Exactly. It stays the same if you purchase it from me. You basically purchase, say your home mortgage is $700,000.
Mhm.
You purchase a term life insurance policy for $700,000, and it remains at that until the end of the policy. You decide to cancel that policy. With another lending institution, what happens is at the end of the mortgage, not at the end of the mortgage, during the mortgage, when you're making payments, the amount of the mortgage is going down. So as the mortgage payments go down, and you were, say, for example, unexpectedly passed, they would just, the lending institution would just cover the amount remaining on the mortgage.
Mhm.
If you've paid down $200,000 on that mortgage, the bank would pay the mortgage off at $500,000. Whereas if you were to purchase it through someone like myself, you would actually get the full amount you've paid for, so the full $700,000. So that's another
Wow,
major
nice. I didn't know that.
Yes. So if you do purchase through a lending institution, they just pay off the balance. You get the full amount that you purchased from me. If you sell your home, are you still protected? Yes, of course. With me, you will be, since you are the owner of the policy. With another lending institution, the answer will be no. You will need to obtain a new policy. So if you do a refinance, you have to, refinance with a new mortgage amount. Another question that may come up, can I get lower rates if I'm a non-smoker or if I'm in better health? And of course, the answer with me would be yes. So these are all factors that make up a great rate. So if you have great health, or if you are a non-smoker, whether you're a smoker or non-smoker, you will still get a great rate. But if you're a non-smoker, of course, that plays a big role in the determinant of the premium that you would pay. And who can be the beneficiary? Well, you can choose anyone to be the beneficiary on that term life insurance policy that I can place for mortgage coverage. But as we discussed earlier, with another lending institution, the only beneficiary will be someone like that lending institution. They will be the beneficiary. So you can't name a beneficiary with another lending institution. They are the owners, and they will be the benefactors of that insurance policy. So there are so many reasons why, but those are the main important ones that consumers or clients need to know as they venture into signing and buying mortgage insurance through a lending institution.
You convince me. Hope everyone convinced with your, answers. So, what's the best contact info that you want to provide to the audiences?
Oh, you can reach me. Go to my website. It's carlafabian.com, and you'll be able to learn a little bit about me. Know how to, reach me by telephone. It's also, I can give you that number. It's 647-992-0517. And you can also see me on Instagram at Insurance by Carla, and on Facebook, Insurance by Carla. So those are so many ways that you can reach me. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions. And I'll be more than happy to help anyone who is considering purchasing, mortgage life insurance to protect their home, their assets they worked hard for.
Of course. It's always a pleasure to have you here, and I really appreciate your time and accepting my invitation. And hopefully we have another session to provide all valuable information to clients.
Yes, I'm always happy to be here with you, Elle. You're an amazing person, amazing realtor, providing awesome service to your customers and your clients. And I'm very, very pleased to have been here with you today to share the information to everyone out there. And I'm hoping that it's valuable and it's helpful.
Thank you so much, Carla. It's always, great to see you, and hopefully to see you in near future.
Same here. You have a great day, and stay safe.
Thank you. You too. Have a wonderful day.
You too, Elle.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.